we are a pioneer in making the centrifugal pumps, and many products we have brought in the country for the first time, and we are leading with new age technology with our products, and this was great experience and exposure for us to exhibit our products in the exhibition. Kirloskar Brothers is always forefront of bringing the technology in the country, and we are not shying away from bringing the technologies in the country. And we have got the device called Kirlosmart as an IoT device, which monitors the health of the product, whether it is a pump or turbine or maybe any system, and by which we can remotely monitor the parameters, and then we can also do the diagnostic of the product through that particular digital technology, and it is great ease. And this product we have introduced maybe way back in 15 years ago, and we implemented first in our Kirloskar residential complex, and then we have supplied it to many other customers in the country as well as overseas countries. Yeah, we brought in many technologies. I will narrate few of the products by which we have also sought the patent for these particular products. Pico is one product wherein we are generating the renewable sources, and by which without to reduce the really carbon footprint, and we have brought in the Pico product for which we have got the patent, and it really generates from the water stream, and it either we can store it as a power bank or we can store it as a EV in the form of EV. And we have got another product which is a chlorinator, which is for the water purification purpose, for which also we have the patent, and which really supplies the clean water to the household people. And we have got online chlorinator, which gives the purified water and without much of the really expenses. So that is another product. And one more product we have really brought in for the nuclear, because we are entering into the nuclear domain as well. And for nuclear power plants, we are making the many new products, and that is a great innovation and great indigenous, because that is being also made in the first time in the country, because we are highly relied on the imported products, but this is indigenous, by which we can really become a self-reliant country. Okay. That is really the great kind of technology for us. Yeah. So as a country, we have decided by 2070 we are going to be net zero country in terms of carbon or maybe green gas emission. So, and by 2017 we will be more renewable energy, for which we are bringing a lot of products so that we will be self-reliant on ourselves, and we are working on many directions. Especially in terms of power generation for the energy security purpose of our country. So we are bringing the products which are being used in the energy sector, especially in the nuclear side, solar side, and on the wind and on hydro power plant as well. So all these products are there in the pipeline, and we are quite poised to really cater to the need of our country to really become a net zero in terms of greenhouse gas emission. So with that, I think we will be serving the nation really inch towards what we are aiming for. We expect that people should take the advantages of latest technology, and rather than experimenting on the old kind of things, and I think we should not shy away from innovating the new things and experimenting the things, so that will really help us, our country, to grow and become a really developed country.